So this is a little of what Bear International pays in a month, and as you can see, so this is my account, as you can see, and I am about to log in. Take a look at it. It's Bear International. So I made a video about this website, I think a few months ago. Some people opt on it and some just, let it go. Now, this is us cashing out from this particular website. It's called Bear International. So I'll just log into my account so that you guys can see. As you can see, it's identifying, the system is already used to my password, and this is what the account looks like. Now, what they have to do, as you can see, it says extended evaluator profile is current. So my account has been active and it is still active. So what you have to do on Bear Evaluator is to, evaluate, go to maybe ShopRite or Mall and evaluate some product or some whatever. They have a lot of apps that you can also look into. As you can see here, they have their job board where they employ people. Also, this is what their job board looks like. In case you're looking for a job, this is what their job board looks like. Now, there is a company in Lagos, as you can see. Now, these are a lot of advantages you can get on this particular website. And by the end of this video, if you stick with me to the end, you will see another mind-blowing opportunity on this same website. You understand? And these jobs are jobs that you can easily apply to and start making money online. Now, with that being said, guys, if you are new to this channel, welcome. My name is Kemi and this is Kemi of Self Hustle. If you're seeing our video for the very first time, we make content about how to make money, how to upscale your financial life. Do well to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share. And also, please state in the comment section what type of video or where you're watching me from. Or if you appreciate this content, just say thank you in the comment section. Thank you. So this is what the job board looks like. If you're looking for a job, you can also opt on Bear International and find jobs around you. As you can see, it says find shops 25 kilometers close to my home. This particular job is close to my home. As you can see, you can choose near me, you can choose my home, then you can choose your country, your state, your province. Now I have set this thing to stay around Nigeria because I'm in Nigeria. So there's a job around Surulere, that's Lagos State. If you know Surulere is in Lagos. So there's a job around there, and the job is a job that you will do from October to December. It is a free job. Now, it is not free in the sense that, what I mean by free is that you can apply for free, you get paid. Now, the payment is $30. Yes, $30. So if you do the math, you know how much $30 is in a day. So if you want more about the job, you click on more, and if you want to apply for the job, you click on apply right here. Now, Bear International actually work with evaluators worldwide. So it doesn't matter where you're watching me from, Bear International is available for you. And if you want us to check out state or countries that are looking for Bear International, please state it in the comment section that let's see countries that have Bear International. Let's see countries that are looking for evaluators in Bear International. So now this is all about their job board, and also, as you can see on their shop log, you can always shop for product. This is shop log. Now the shop log is actually for you to go shopping. Yes, for now they pay you to shop, to go to mall and web and ShopRite to snap product. I'm making this video because I actually got a message in my mailbox for Bear International from Bear International to accept privacy policy before 31st of October. So if you have signed up on Bear International, please do well to go to your Gmail and check and accept their policy guideline for Bear International. That is, if you have watched my previous video and you have signed up. But if you have not signed up, this is also a reminder that you should go and sign up and start making money. Now, I'll open my Gmail as I've opened it here. Now, this is the last job I did on Bear International. Yes, the last job I did on Bear International, as you can see, paid 20 euros. Yes, the last job I did on Bear International paid 20 euros. As you can see, we have both Amplify and Mystery Audit available in the above mentioned location. For Amplify Audit, we are paying 20 euros, and for Mystery Audit, we are paying 8 euros. So this last job paid 20 euros, and they have a lot of jobs like that on Bear International for you. When they have a job, they send to your Gmail. So there is no need to tell me that you are not making money. This is my mail. As you can see, you see Bear International, Bear International. These are emails I get from them to do their jobs, and you get paid in euros. As long as your account is current and active, you definitely get jobs. And as for the citations, as you can see, evaluator citations, I have 4 citations, which are for, those things around me where I go to do my evaluator job. You get. So then again, if you're signing up on this website, please do what to hit the sign up button. And once you invite someone to sign up, you get paid 1 euros. Yes, if you invite someone to sign up, you get paid 1 euros. So, but with that being said, guys, if this is like something you like watching, please do well to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and let me know if you're signing up on Bear International or if you have signed up on Bear International. See you guys in another video. Thank you.